hell it's the heart of, but we're in Ohio. Now we missed the full part. Hey, we're in Indiana. Missed the sign because we were just cruising. But it's crazy how you can get excited about Indiana again, because it's just Indiana, but this first time with the big body in Indiana. Also getting passed by all kinds of semis, all the cars. But she's cruising just nicely. About to stop soon and check everything out, get some gas. I think I'm pretty happy with gas mileage so far, about half a tank, I don't know. Alright, pulling in our first stop since leaving. I probably should have checked well before almost 200 miles away, but you know. Oh, there's a hot rod here. I knew it. Power Tour people. I knew I wasn't crazy. This is like the first Power Tour people we've seen just now. I'm like, what the hell is going on? Yes, sirs. Ooh, Power Tour shit. Alright. Didn't get hit with a blast of heat. Pretty cool. Woo. Yes, sir. Hot rods everywhere. Alright. So we did axles and stuff. Everything's hanging on. Of course, power steering's leaking. It's a Mopar. What do you want? Just replaced all this stuff. The radiator was leaking. Yeah. Everything looks good to me. Made it to get our credentials, and oh, she got warm quick as hell, very fast. That's not good. And then we got to figure this out. What is that doing next? Long hauler. All right, you're in the right line. Thank you, ma'am. QR code and driver's license. Thank you.
This is your first call? 67 Chrysler Newport. Yeah. So if you want to go ahead and sign it, like you down here, and then handwrite, and then he'll have to sign it. This has to be on the top driver's side windshield. Banner or something. You guys done this before? Just put it under. This is going to be from your mirror, hang from the mirror, get you in and out. Yeah, you'll just drive the car. You should just start making everybody dance wrong. No, there you go. And then right here to know that you got the sticker. That's when I'll give you your plaque. And now you're gonna do his. Otherwise, you're gonna do it yourself. There we go. Okay, I'm number 1.
Yeah, it's gonna be different ones every day.
Making you do all the work.
On day 2 is
And then right where painless is.
Okay.
Yeah. There we go. And just stand right here and you can do all the rest. Alright, this has all the maps in it. It's a very handy little dandy thing.
I know when we wait in line.
You can put everything in there.
You want to make sure you do the same because on Friday the only way you get your class is
icing on the cake.
Oh yeah, we need that.
Yeah, everybody loves
and you
this.
can't make it to a venue on
There you go.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Congratulations, have
Have a good day. Like, why did school buses look like Jeepers Creepers back in the day? Like, I don't know if I'd want to get on this when it was stock. Massachusetts. Come on, buddy. Hope no one's in there. Peeking. Trying to get back to the big body and figure out what's up with that wheel. I keep finding cool shit. All right, to the big body. Oh, an anteater, goddamn. Hey girl. Now to the big body. Typhoon. Figured out. So I feel like it's a screw came loose somehow. Yep, looky there. Loose screw. Man, that thing was rattling. I thought the car was falling apart. Big body's over there somewhere. You can't see her. Let's check out what's in the goodie bag. Should probably need a tripod, eh? Where's gonna dump it? Oh shoot! No, we're not. We got. What is this? Fill the can, treat the fuel. Some gas stuff. What is this? Bottle opener? I think. We ain't drinking. Oh, I'm using this. I'm a driver, not a passenger. Hey, another sticker? Got stickers everywhere. Don't look at that. Don't look at that. Wait, oh my God, is this another sticker? It is Haggerty. I'm probably not gonna put that on my car. I don't have Haggerty, and y'all denied me, so someone can have the Haggerty one. Oh, here's what we're doing, or what we've done by the time you see it. Hopefully. What else we got? Program, coupon stuff. Get a license plate. Oh, that's tough. Almost matches our hood rat logo. Oh, we got 2 lanyards. Wait, where's our passes? Hopefully those are in here too. else we got in here? Get out! Out of the bag! Was that just a magazine or? Oh, that's kind of cool. Oh, maps. Is that the actual tour map? Official road guide. What? Did we not have to print those out after all? All right, and we got our. Oh, they sealed it. We got our credentials and stickers and shit. Did you listen to where she said we had to put this sticker?
Yes.
Long haul. And here's our long hauler badges. Yes, sir and ma'am. That's exciting. Awesome. Jessica's. Then we get this little long haul paper, which feels like it's probably trash, but I'm gonna keep it forever and ever. Amen. And then we can't forget the coveted Hot Rod Power Tour banner. We have not decided if we're gonna put it on the front or the back yet. Shit, I might slap it on the side. Who knows? This is what we all came for right here. No, it's not. The long haul plaque, so we got to get that. Little hotel action.
Well, that's true. I don't know that. The texture easier generally than gold.
I used to cut grass for it.
Power tour hasn't even started yet. This is Big Booty Judy, I believe. This guy peeked out the window. He was underneath his car doing some shit in the parking lot. Monte Carlo.
But I'm also a big fan.
Some over at the other park, or other hotel. Prius repellent, I bet it works. Going on, man. This thing's cool, man.
How are you?
Not bad. I love the Prius repellent.
Thank you.
That's tough.
No, they won't let me because I don't have a
this?
helmet. I could drag race. Yeah, no, I have a helmet.
They're talking about drag racing and shit. Everybody's trying to get me to do burnouts. I laughed at them. But no.
Well, the slow shot.
That's Big Booty Judy? This was Big Booty Judy? No. I see it. I thought we were talking about that one at first.
That's the B6.
There you go.
That's tan line.
Tan line.
Tan lines. Hey, I got a gnarly farmer's tan going. Yeah, I did see that earlier. Oh, I think they're pretty tan lines.
Got you. You're a middle. I don't mean that.
Hey, I like the tan lines. Then we got a couple big body Chryslers doing some Chevys. Chevys versus Chryslers. Chevys, Chryslers. Oh. And then I already tagged them. Yeah. Power tour hasn't even started yet. We're just out here chilling. I know they're doing all kinds of crazy burnouts and shit at other hotels. This one's kind of laid back, just the way I like it. All right, catch y'all out.